Hi Celine, good morning. How are you? You have received the third parcel, isn't it? So enjoy the money. Buy whatever that you like. Make you happy. You know what? Your happiness is truly my happiness, my joy, and my pleasure. Oh, I love you so much. Oh, Celine, do you want to see the baby cat? Let's go upstairs and see the baby cat, okay? Go, let's go. It is in the morning. It is now. Today is Saturday, 9th of March, isn't it? Uh, so this is your home, Celine, your house. When times come, you're gonna be here with me. You're gonna be my wife. But don't worry, as I've been saying so many times, um, I'm gonna just make sure that you're gonna achieve your dream first. That is gonna be my, I would say, so enjoyable life, doing good things to you. I mean, make sure achieve your dreams. So that's gonna be my, I would say, the most priority in my life. I'm gonna work hard for you, Celine. So, okay, see the mother cat, and this mother cat children previous delivery. So let's go and see the baby cat. This is the upper first step of this house, this building. So you see, this is a kind of prophecy, Celine. When I built this building, I design it so that there will be a kind of like hall I've been saying to you, but I like to repeat my words repeatedly so that will stick in your heart, in your mind. You hold it. That is faith. Believe in things, that gonna happen in the future. So that is the stage. I believe one day you're gonna sing here. So let's go to see the baby cat. You remember, isn't it? The mother cat moved to another place. I mean, move the baby, her children, to here, to this box. Okay, so let's go and see. See, they are bigger now, isn't it? See, Celine, your baby cats. You want me to hold for you? See, this is the first one, your cat, Celine. Spotty black and white with the white color greater portion. And this is black, just like it's the mother, you see. And then this one, another one, black, white, but the larger portion of the black color is more, so this is another one, and this the fifth one with stripe, you see. So there are 5 of them, the baby cats. They're growing. Okay. So so Celine, this is your haul. Soon when I have enough money, I'm gonna go to Hong Kong, and I don't know, this is thinking, but it's a kind of like believing, you know, having faith. I believe I'm gonna just um, uh, okay, I'm just gonna put this handphone here. So okay. So Celine, when times come, when I have enough money, um, I'm gonna go to Hong Kong. I do have some planning. I mean, planning means thinking. Um, I have like plan. I have planning, thinking where I want to rent rent a shop, a premise in Hong Kong. Yeah, if I mean when Yeshua give me a lot of money, if I can buy a land there in Hong Kong, I'm gonna buy a land, build a building there for you, for me. I mean for us, you see. And yeah, but I think probably the initial step, I think, is having a premise, just like Daddy Steve. So, uh, yeah, to build a kind of like a center where you can having recording your singing. Maybe you can have like a shop together with a shop. I have that kind of thinking as a kind of like mm, you know uh, work for income, you know, like doing a business is the same time. Yeah, it's good. So this is a kind of like uh, far planning for you, Celine. Okay, so I think that's all. I'm not gonna shoot too long video. It's quite tiring for you to watch such a long video. Sorry for that. um, so I wish you to be happy and have a wonderful holiday weekend day. Rest. Today is Saturday and also tomorrow. Check uh, the third parcel on the website of Post Malaysia. I saw that it's already been delivered last Monday, isn't it? Last Monday is on 4th of March. So yeah, there is 800 ringgit there, and there's the book, The Great Controversy. Please read that book, and yeah, and use that money as you will, as you wish, whatever that you want to buy, Celine. Maybe you want to buy clothes, maybe you want to buy anything. Yeah, so please spend it, whatever that you want. Okay, I'm gonna I give you more money soon. I just love to do that. It's really my pleasure to do uh, everything good for you. So bye. I love you so much, gorgeous girl. You are my gorgeous girl. You are my princess. I love you so much. Bye.